This tutorial will demonstrate how to register and activate a trulyMEid app on your device, making it ready for use with Virtual IDs. The process is almost exactly the same on all machines, except that Apple and Android mobile devices will pop up additional messages requesting permission to use geolocation services with the app or make use of the camera. Windows may present a permissions request the next time the app is launched. In all cases, when asked, always tap or click Yes or Allow. Launch the trulyMEid app and click Get Started. In some cases, the other blanks may not all fit on the screen. If this happens, touch your finger to the screen below the trulyMEid logo, drag upwards until more blank lines are visible, and then lift your finger off of the screen. If using a mouse, it may be possible to use the scroll wheel to show more of the blanks to fill out. Tap or click in the blank for first name and type in your first name. Then select the blank for last name and type your last name. If needed, scroll down to see the two separate lines reserved for email address. If you have given your ID issuer an email address, you must use the same address during the registration process. If you did not provide an email to the ID issuer, use the employee email from your employer. The goal is to use the top line to enter your email address, while the second is to confirm that it's been entered correctly. Tap or click on the top blank for email address. Enter your work email address into the top box. Now confirm the email address is correct by tapping on or clicking into the bottom box and typing the same email address in one more time. Once done, click the Next button. If unable to see the Next button, use your finger or mouse wheel to scroll the screen to be able to see it. Now that the basic information has been entered, assign a custom name to the device being registered. A suggested device name may already be in the device name box. On Windows, for example, it will automatically be filled with the Windows network name of the device. Both Apple and Android mobile devices will automatically include the device's existing nickname. It's okay to leave things as they are and just click Next, or tap or click into the box, press the Delete key, and replace the name with something more personal, like Mike's phone. Then click the Next button, which will ask you to create a personal identification number or PIN. To secure the app, create a 6-digit personal identification number or PIN in the top blank. It may be necessary to scroll down to see the second blank. Retype the PIN into the bottom box to confirm it. Click Next to continue setting up the app. Additional setup instructions will now be shown. Click Next when done reading to proceed to photo setup. Add a personal picture to trulyMEid using your device's camera. Mobile devices may prompt the user to request to allow access to use the camera. If a pop-up is displayed, tap or click Yes or Agree to allow a photo to be taken for use within the app. It's also okay to skip taking the picture until later. Once you've either added a picture or decided to wait until later, click Next. The device will now be registered with the trulyMEid servers. This may take a few moments. Once done, the app will indicate that an activation email has been sent to the email address that you typed in earlier. Close the trulyMEid app and go check the email from the address entered earlier. If the trulyMEid app is left open without being activated, it will display a message that the app is not activated. It's important to check the email account used to register the trulyMEid app, as this step must be completed to finalize the registration process. Check the earlier entered email and look for an email from trulyMEid. It will contain a one-time use activation link. It may be necessary to check the spam folder for the email too. Tap on or click the one-time use activation link in the email. This will present the end-user license agreement. Scroll to the bottom and click Activate after reviewing the agreement. Then close the window and relaunch the trulyMEid app to continue. This completes the registration of the trulyMEid app. Look to other videos to see how to enroll to get a virtual ID or take a tour of the app.